The important thing is that we have the third puzzle piece. Huh? What's with the grabbing?
And the third time's the charm for me. And now for my getaway. Whoa. Easy. Oh, help! Somebody stop this choo-choo from choo-choo-choo-chooing!
Looks like I got a train to catch.
Oh, ouchie! I'm not having any fun. Get me out of here.
First, the puzzle piece, Safari Pete.
What? But I didn't get... Oh, fuzzy puzzles. Foiled again. Now get me out of here!
Whatever you say, Safari Pete.
What are you doing? That's not... I'll be back, Casey, okay?
Hooray! We have all three puzzle pieces. Now we can put them together and see where they lead us.
We did it! We put the jigsaw puzzle together.
Look! It's turning into a picture.
Aha! It's a picture of the handy-dandy machine. That's in the clubhouse basement.